Hey everyone, I'd like to end this section with just showing you one more example, which is how to construct a cumulative frequency distribution. So here is the data set, same data set that we use on the frequency distribution and relative frequency distribution, which is on the previous two videos. Okay, and this is the frequency. So what we want is to find a column that represents cumulative frequency. And we actually have to modify our classes as well, because cumulative frequency represents the cumulative frequency up to a certain class. So we need to do that for each class. And you will expect after we add up, we find the cumulative frequency up to the last class. That should have the total frequency. But let's look into that. So the cumulative frequency for the first class is just the frequency for the first class. And in this case, it is 1, because you have nothing before that. And then the cumulative frequency for the second class will be 1 plus 8, where 8 is the frequency for the second class. So the total is 9. So that means up to the second class, we have 9 observations. By following similar procedure, so we add up all the frequency for up to each certain class. So up to the third class, you have 1 plus 8 plus 18 equals 27. The fourth class, you have up to 32. And then for the total, or the last cumulative frequency, you have 40. So that's just adding up all the frequency for each class. Okay, so that's the idea. So once that is done, then you can write out all the cumulative frequency. So we have 1, 9, 27, 32, 38, up to 40. Now for the class, we have to modify it a little bit is because now it's no longer, this cumulative frequency is not just for a specific class, but it's the cumulative for a combination of more than one class. Well, the first one, nothing changed because the class was 50 to 59, so there's only one observation, so cumulative frequency is 1. But the cumulative frequency up to the second class will be, we start from the first class, starting from 50, and then up to 69. So it's 1 plus 8, which gives you 9. And then the third class, it's from 50 up to 79. So again, 50 is the lower class limit for the first class. So it's 50 up to 79, so we have 27 observations. So that the last one here, since the upper class limit for the last class is 109, so this last class includes everything from 50 to 109, and that's all the observation, which is 40. Okay, so that's it. Let me know if you have any question.